Today in Household Wizardry, we're making a honeycomb desk organizer out of cardboard. This would make a great gift for Father's Day. The materials you'll need for your desk organizer are corrugated cardboard, hot glue, or wood glue. The tools you'll need are a cutting mat, box cutter or X-Acto knife, a ruler, a pencil, and a glue gun if you're using hot glue. The first thing you'll need to do is to cut out 7 pieces of cardboard of the same size. One side should be 12 centimeters, the other side should be 10.5 centimeters. The corrugation on the short side, the 10.5 centimeter side, should look like this. You want the corrugation perpendicular to where you're going to fold the pieces. Then you're going to measure on the short side and mark at every 1.5 centimeters. On the 7th mark that you make, cut the piece like that. That will actually be your 10.5 centimeters. You can discard this part of the cardboard. Now you will want to score the cardboard along the corrugations at each interval. By scoring, I mean lightly slicing the paper, so not all the way through. You're going to do that for each 1.5 centimeter mark. Now you can fold the cardboard on the lines inward, so the scoring will be on the inside. So you get an object that looks like this. Repeat this step 7 times, so you'll have 7 cardboard pieces just like this. For the next part, you're going to take one of the pieces that you have cut out and scored, and in the middle corrugation, because there's going to be 7 sections, in the middle one, you're going to mark down from the top 7.5 millimeters and make a line across. And then you're going to attach that, connect the dots from the bottom of that to the top of the next corrugation on each side, and then cut that section out. Your piece will look like this after cutting that section out. For the next 2 pieces, you're going to do a similar cut, but you're going to go 15 millimeters down from the top, and then connect the dots to the outermost fold. Not the edge, but the outermost fold on each side, and then cut that out. 15 centimeters down, cut out to the outermost fold. For the next piece, you're going to measure from the top 22.5 millimeters, but first you're going to make a line that's 7.5 millimeters from the top and draw it all the way across, and then measure 22.5 from the top, and then you're going to connect the dots from here, the bottom of this middle section, to the outermost folds again, and then you're going to cut that out. For the next 2, you're going to do the same thing, except from the top of your piece, you're going to measure 15 millimeters and make a line, and then from the top of your piece to the bottom of your cutout is going to be 30 millimeters or 3 centimeters. So once you draw that out and cut that out, you're going to make 2 of these. For the last and shortest piece, you are going to draw a line 22.5 millimeters from the edge, and then from here to the bottom line of your cut will be 37.5 millimeters, and then cut that out. Now for each tube, you're going to overlap the last 2 flaps. It might be helpful to squish one of the flaps down to conserve space. So just fold it into a hexagon and glue the flaps together with hot glue or white glue. Now arrange them in this order, with the tallest in the back and the shortest in the front, and then you can start gluing those together. Once you have your honeycomb glued together, you can put it on top of another piece of cardboard and trace the shape. This will be your base that you're going to glue on the bottom. Now you have your desk organizer all glued together. It's time to decorate it. And there you have it, a honeycomb shaped desk organizer made out of cardboard, all ready to gift to Dad. Thanks for watching, and I hope you'll check out some of our other Household Wizardry videos.